What are HOT lanes? High occupancy toll lanes, or HOT for short, are individual highway lanes that provide access to vehicles meeting passenger occupancy requirements. The primary goals of HOT lanes are to reduce traffic congestion, improve traffic flow, especially during peak rush hour times, and to encourage carpooling. In Ontario, HOT lanes are increasingly implemented over more traditional HOV lanes. At first, HOT lanes started off as a pilot project that was only meant to last 2 to 4 years in order to help the province learn about and plan for more efficient highway networks across Ontario. However, since the success of these lanes during the implementation processes, the province has transitioned towards implementing HOT lanes for the long term. Who can use HOT lanes? HOT lanes can be used free of charge by vehicles that meet the passenger occupancy requirements of 2 or more people. They can also be used by vehicles and individuals holding a HOT permit. Other free users include buses, emergency vehicles, licensed taxis, airport limousines, and vehicles with green license plates. Green license plates indicate hybrid or battery-powered electric cars. HOT permits. During the pilot project, it was predicted that up to 1,000 permits were to be sold during each term of the pilot. HOT permits are valid for 3 months and cost a total of $180 or $60 per month. Once an individual has obtained a permit, the permit can be automatically renewed twice before you have to reapply. How are HOT lanes enforced and monitored? HOT lanes are typically monitored by patrol and OPP officers through visual enforcement, as this method has been demonstrated to be effective. As well, tickets will be issued to offending individuals as part of their regular highway enforcement duties. Another way they can be monitored is by the vehicle passenger detection system. If a vehicle does not meet the passenger requirements, the system uses a laser that will take photos of the front and rear license plate and tickets the vehicle accordingly. Furthermore, the province is proposing an electric tolling system by the year 2021. This will be a more efficient method of monitoring HOT lanes rather than solely relying on visual enforcement. Benefits and disadvantages of HOT lanes. The implementation of HOT lanes brings various benefits for different stakeholders. For commuters, HOT lanes are a traveling option that will help manage congestion because there will be a reduced amount of cars on the road. Furthermore, this will decrease air pollution, thus benefiting the environment. With this, the lanes will promote behavior change by encouraging people to form carpools. In addition, for emergency vehicles, the lanes offer congestion-free routes for emergency vehicles to reach the scene of incidents and emergency rooms in significantly less time. However, HOT lanes also have disadvantages, such as creating congestion within other lanes. This is disadvantageous in the long run, as the increasing development of HOT lanes could potentially replace normal lanes, which will only further contribute to congestion. On the other hand, visual enforcement of HOT lanes is labor-intensive. This is because additional monitoring is required for drivers who may be missing them without permits or required passengers. For example, driving with mannequins, blow-up dolls, or kickboxing dummies as an additional passenger has become a large issue. This has resulted in strict enforcement of regulations associated with HOT lanes. Penalties for misuse of HOT lanes. There are 2 different penalties from improper use of HOT lanes. The HOT offense is a fine of $110 plus 3 demerit points. The other penalty is the pilot offense, which is a fine that costs anywhere between $250 and $2,500.